If your Samsung Smart TV apps aren't loading properly after the 2025 update, you're experiencing a widespread issue affecting millions of users worldwide. This major Tizen operating system update has caused significant problems across Samsung's Smart TV lineup. Samsung's Smart Hub runs on the Tizen operating system. The 2025 update was designed to improve AI integration and streaming performance, but instead introduced serious compatibility problems. The issues primarily affect Samsung TVs manufactured between 2022 and 2025. This includes the popular QN series, AU series, Frame TVs, and Neo QLED models. If you own one of these models, you've likely experienced these frustrating problems. Users are reporting several consistent symptoms after the 2025 update. The most common issue is apps freezing on loading screens, where Netflix, Disney Plus, or other streaming apps simply won't start. Many users also experience complete Smart Hub crashes, where the entire system freezes and requires unplugging the TV to restart. This is particularly frustrating during movie nights or important viewing. Wi-Fi connectivity has become unreliable, with many TVs randomly disconnecting from home networks. This makes streaming impossible and forces users to constantly reconnect their TVs. Beyond the major issues, users report slower overall performance. Menu navigation that used to be instant now takes several seconds. Audio and video often fall out of sync during streaming, and apps that do load often crash unexpectedly. The technical problems stem from four main causes. First, inefficient memory management in the new update causes the TV's RAM to overflow, leading to app crashes and system freezes. Second, there are serious compatibility conflicts between the updated Tizen operating system and older app frameworks. Apps designed for previous OS versions simply can't communicate properly with the new system. The third major issue involves network stack problems, particularly with IPv6 implementation. This causes streaming protocols to fail and results in those annoying Wi-Fi disconnections you've been experiencing. Finally, corrupted cache data from previous operating system versions conflicts with the new update. This old data interferes with app loading and causes persistent performance problems. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. Over 12 million Samsung TVs worldwide are affected, with Samsung reporting a 340% increase in support requests. 2/3 of affected users deal with these problems every single day. Samsung has acknowledged these widespread issues and released multiple firmware patches throughout 2025. While the latest update in July showed improvements, many users still experience problems. Understanding these root causes helps explain why your Smart Hub isn't working as expected. When your Samsung Smart Hub apps won't load, there are several proven solutions you can try. We'll start with the simplest fixes and work our way up to more advanced options. The first and simplest solution is a power cycle. This basic troubleshooting step resolves about 40% of Smart Hub issues and takes just 1 minute to complete. If the power cycle doesn't work, the next step is resetting the Smart Hub itself. This clears corrupted data and app conflicts that may be causing the loading issues. First, navigate to Device Care in your TV settings. This screen shows your TV's overall health status and provides access to diagnostic tools. In the Self-Diagnosis menu, select Reset Smart Hub. You'll need to enter your TV's PIN code. This process will reset all Smart Hub settings and remove downloaded apps, but it often resolves loading issues completely. If only specific apps are having problems, you can delete and reinstall them individually. This fixes app-specific corruption without affecting your entire Smart Hub setup. Network connectivity issues can also cause app loading problems. Resetting your network settings clears the DNS cache and can resolve streaming conflicts that developed after the 2025 update. For persistent issues, there are advanced solutions available. However, these come with important warnings and should only be attempted if basic fixes haven't worked. While Samsung continues working on permanent fixes, consider getting an external streaming device as a reliable backup. Devices like Roku, Apple TV, or Amazon Fire Stick provide consistent streaming access regardless of your TV's Smart Hub status. Here's a quick summary of success rates for each solution. Start with the power cycle, then move to Smart Hub Reset if needed. Most users find success with these first two methods. If none of these solutions work, it's time to contact Samsung support. They can provide professional diagnostics and may offer warranty repairs or replacements for TVs with persistent Smart Hub issues. Remember these key points. Start with simple solutions first, always have a backup streaming option available, and don't hesitate to contact support if problems persist. Most Smart Hub issues can be resolved with these proven methods.